Hi guys, for all of you who don't know us, we are Joe and Jelena, and today I made a video for you guys of Joe baking this incredible bread because everyone has been asking and wanting to know how he bakes a sourdough bread that I am eating all the time. So we decided to finally put up a video, and it's a step-by-step video. We hope you will like it, enjoy it, and be able to follow it. What you will need is definitely a sourdough starter and a Dutch oven. There is ways around it, but just so you know, those are things you need to make this. You need a starter. You need another little, like this is a container we get from like a food delivery. We usually always keep them and reuse them. You need bread flour. You need a kitchen scale. And now you take exactly 50 grams of the starter. Like exactly. Yes. And then you add exactly 50 grams of flour and 50 grams of warm water. Now you mix it all together. You scratch everything down from the sides. Okay, then Joe always cleans the sides of the bowl.
And then I let it sit.
At room temperature. Until it raises double.
Yeah. It'll sometimes do triple, depends how lively it is.
Okay, that's it. Now let it sit. You can just cover it with a kitchen cloth or a cheesecloth and let it do its magic. Okay, it's a couple hours later. This one's the one that we did together. Joe did two, and as you can see, it has doubled in size. Okay, what you're gonna do now? It smells nice and sour.
So 8 grams salt, but that's later.
How many grams?
8.
8 grams of salt. Tare your bowl. Bread flour. So how many grams?
500.
Okay. And
300 grams hot water.
one too much. Roll your sleeves up and stir. So this just takes a couple minutes until your dough is nicely combined.
Just want it a little smoother.
Okay, so now once it's all nicely combined and smooth, you let it auto lease for 1 hour, which means you just leave it at room temperature and cover it up. So roughly 1 hour later, you're doing the first fold and turn, which means you're adding
Salt.
Salz in German, and your starter. Whoa.
This first one's gonna be messy no matter what.
Okay. Wet your hands, but the first one's gonna be messy. Okay, it's really sticky.
First one you gotta
Into the
mix as much as you can.
Yeah.
I gotta press into it. Because you want to mix the salt up in the starter.
It's not even that messy. I think it looks pretty good. Whoa.
Much done now anyway.
I cover it up with a wet cloth.
Yeah.
Cover it up with a wet cloth, and then you let it sit for 30 to 45 minutes, depending on how much time you have. Okay, wet hands again. How much time has passed?
40 minutes.
And the second fold and turn.
Fold, turn. Fold, turn.
Really? Like that's what it is?
Yeah. I'm just doing it.
Okay, that's it?
Yep. You can do 4 fold and turns at 45 minutes in between, do that. If you can only do 3 at 45, do that. If you can do 3 or 4 at 30 minutes,
Do that. Okay. Cover with a damp cloth and let it for another 45? Sure, he says. Okay, wash your hands again. Turn, fold, wiggle.
Well, I'm stretching it.
I know.
Eventually I'll get to stretch it a lot more.
Fold, turn, fold and turn. All you do. Okay, that's it?
Yep.
Wash your hands again. And do the same spiel.
I'm just gonna stretch it more though now.
Okay. Stretch more, fold, turn.
Yep.
Trying to find a good angle to see what he's doing. Do. Stretch, fluff, fold, and turn. So you're popping the bubbles that are in there?
It is trapping air, which I think is what might be causing those.
Big bubbles? Oh my god. Oh my god, it smells so good already.
Smells like sourdough.
Yeah. Yum!
Takes shape.
And it is getting later.
Labor of love.
Yeah, Joe's labor of love. This is how it looks now. It's definitely much more easy to handle than it was. Ooh! The first time.
It's just sticky.
Such a funny handling.
Air folded turns.
Mm-hmm.
It's just my own little system.
Yeah, don't quote us on this. Joe made this up. And that's it.
And there it'll rise all night.
Yeah.
Rise.
Bulk rise, 10 hours. Good night. So it is currently snowing outside and I got up before Joe and I am having a peek at the beautiful dough. Look how much bigger it has gotten. But I have no idea what to do, so I'm just gonna cover it and wait for him to wake up. Alrighty, the next step. Clean the surface area and add some flour. It looks so good. I already took a peek this morning.
Sour.
Yeah, I smell it. It's so nice and sour. So just fold it. Woo! All the bubbles. Can you guys hear that? It's so funny. How did I never hear that before?
Because I wasn't pushing hard enough.
Wow, so you're really do that. Cute. And now Joe is grabbing his proofing basket, which looks like this. Like it has a cloth over here, nicely seasoned with lots of flour. flip it around. And then you damp your cloth again and cover it and let it sit for 3 hours.
The Dutch oven in there for 450.
So this is empty right now.
Being preheated for an hour.
Preheated for an hour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's when you know it's good. When it jiggles.
When it jiggles.
Yeah.
Jiggle means good. We're recycling the paper. We're just using it again from last time. So we'll just flip it out of there. As you can see, it already has the nice rings and some flour from the proofing basket. Now he has this insane tool.
So I wanted to try something.
No pressure.
Yeah.
So now you can get creative into whatever you want and make some pretty designs into your bread, because that's where it will pop open. Ooh, okay.
For the Super Bowl, it's football.
Oh, okay. This will be very off topic once I actually edit and post this, but who knows? Maybe I'm really quick with editing this video. Okay, everything here is super, super hot. Careful, put it in the oven. We've preheated the Dutch oven for over an hour now, which is super good. It'll give you a great rise. 20 minutes covered.
Now down to 410.
Down to 410 Fahrenheit. I'll look up what that is in Celsius and I'll let you guys know. Really, really hot. Oh my god, it's so cute. It didn't pop open on the one side.
It didn't.
So good though.
My football didn't work.
Oh, it still looks incredible.
So then another 20 minutes.
Okay. Wow. Looks so good. So just baked for 40 minutes total. It looks so yummy. You want to talk? So today we finally made this video and we created this sourdough bread. It looks so beautiful. Yeah, turn it, turn it. It looks so good. Joe actually did it. I just recorded it. We hope you guys loved and enjoyed the video, and please let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or what you love to eat your bread with. Just let us know if we should do more of these videos.